Amsterdam, the Netherlands. It's the greatest cycling city in the world. And if you're planning a visit, you should seriously consider riding a bike as a way of getting around the city. Hi, my name's Andy, and in this video, I'll be showing you why Amsterdam is the best city in the world to ride a bike, and why you should ride a bike when you visit Amsterdam. Some of my favorite reasons to ride a bike in Amsterdam are: it makes it easier to get around, it's much faster than walking, you can save on transport costs, and you can experience the Dutch way of life. Everything looks better when you're riding a bike. If you're the kind of traveler that likes to visit multiple attractions in one day, then a bicycle will be your ultimate transportation option for Amsterdam. Because Amsterdam Central is small, you can easily get around by bike. There are plenty of places to lock up your bike near the main attractions. You can even leave your bike and walk to the many shops, cafes and bars that Amsterdam Central has to offer. Bicycles can be ridden in most streets in the centrum. However, there are a few no bike zones in the crowded pedestrian areas close to Dam Square. Having a bike in Amsterdam will open up a whole new world of possibilities. Join the locals on a short ferry trip across to Amsterdam Noord. The ferry is free and you can check out a quieter part of the city with nice parks and local shops. You can also visit the big supply stores here, such as Decathlon, MediaMarkt and Blokker. And don't forget the Dutch supermarkets, Jumbo and Albert Heijn. Riding a bike and camping is my favorite way to explore Amsterdam. And if this appeals to you, check out the great camping spots close to the city, including my favorite, Camping Zeeburg. There are plenty of places to hire a classic Dutch bike within the city. However, I prefer to take my own folding bike. I pack it as part of my luggage allocation. And if you'd like to see more about that, look at my other video over here on my channel for more information about the process. If you're planning a longer stay in the Netherlands, you can easily buy second-hand bikes for reasonable prices. If you want to know more about how to get a second-hand bike in Holland, there's a video over here on my channel. I'd like to take a moment to give a shout out to all the supporters who have donated through Super Chat. Thank you guys very much. You make it possible for me to keep creating these videos. If you're planning on taking your bike to Amsterdam, let me know in the comments. Or if you've got any other tips about riding your bicycle in the Netherlands, please comment down below. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, I'll see you in the next episode.